In this video tutorial, I will discuss how you can create the Azure free account and how you can get the credit which is the free available from the Azure. So you can go to the Google and tap the free Azure account, and once you click it, you will get this official website of Microsoft Azure. So you will get two options: try Azure for free and payout. Okay, so you will get all this in the detail. What basically we have the free account and pay as you go. So we'll create here as a free account, like how you can use. So free account is basically we have available for the 30 days, and you will get around 200 USD dollar credit, that is the free of cost, and it's equivalent to Indian rupees. It's around 17,000, and whatever services you will use, that will be basically deducted, and this is not chargeable. Okay, so and Azure will never you charge anything automatically. So if you are agree to pay some part of the amount or something, if you required in the future, then you can pay with the Azure. So we'll start with the creating with the free Azure account. So you can just click on the link, and the link will be open within 30 seconds. So now you can see is opening, and they will ask you provide the email ID. So if you have already email ID, you can pass the email ID. You can also create the new email ID, and it should be the valid email ID which is the in work in progress, because you will get the verification OTP in this email ID, otherwise you cannot proceed. Okay, so you remember the password as well. So just you can need to enter the password in the box. So once your password got entered, it will be redirect to the next step to fill the form. Okay, so they are basically doing some type of the validation that all the password is correct or not. So once you enter the password, you will get some form related to profile. So you can just enter the basic information, like phone number, the company name. PIN number is not needed. This is not the mandatory field, so you can leave it blank. You can pass the valid phone number. You will get the OTP on this number. Company name, you can pass anything. If you are in a student, or if you are the not working anywhere, and if you don't want to pass your company name, you can pass the any simple name, and the city and the state and the where you staying. All this need to be passed just for the information point of view, and postal code area where you staying. And they will ask you some type of the puzzle. You need to be solve the puzzle for the validation. So you can see verification completed, and now they will ask you to verify. So for this you need to be used for the credit card, just for the they will deduct the 2 rupees. This is just for the verification purpose. They will not charge any amount other than 2 rupees. Okay, so this once you enter the company name. So I not enter the company name, so now I am entering here. So I given the simple study IT something is there. You can give the any name. So now you can see, if you press the next button, this will basically take couple of time, and they will ask you the card information. So you can enter the credit card number here. So this is a very secure, not an issue. I already have entered, and I have completed all this credit card step. Okay, and you can see the sign up is got completed. So you can see the card number is displaying, and now they are asking protect your account here. If you want to protect your account, they will give you protect your account. So you can just click on the next button. So when you click on the next button, so they will again ask you to provide some alternate email ID. So this email also should be work in progress. So if you enter, they will ask you to provide the OTP. So OTP already you will get in the mail. So I'm just filling the OTP, and once your OTP is filled, alternate email ID is got registered. So this email is basically used for the any type of the password recovery or something. Now they're asking the feedback, so you can provide the feedback over here. And once you provided the feedback, they will again go to the next step. So basically Azure now will ask you some part of the what type of the activity you're going to do. So you do some learning point of view or deployment point of view. So now you can see this is the what is your plan they're asking. So you can use the manage identity access, deploy and native application, learn new code, build to IoT. All these things that we can give. You can also skip this step. It's not mandatory. So if you check any box, you can put the next. You can also skip it. And now you can see the Azure got started. So this is the tool, Azure portal. Okay, portal.azure.com. When you have completed the registration, in right corner you will see your mail ID, what mail ID you have created for portal. If you need any help before the email ID, okay, you will get basically tap of the support center where we can feedback or the help if you are needed. If you can provide any type of the feedback, we have the setting button, we have the notification button, all these things. In next tutorial video I will provide you the complete overview to how to navigate the Azure portal, how you can work in the Azure portal, and what type of the services we have. You can also learn from the quick start center. We have couple of the video. You can see training center is there, 20-minute 30-minute, all these things. You can first go through all this so you have the better understanding about the portal. Thank you.